finally, let's just touch on kind of a question that people ask oftentimes when they take courses like this one. And the general question is, why study moral philosophy? Why study ethics in philosophy? And the question, what good will studying moral philosophy do? Will it make us better people? Will it show us the true moral theory? Well, some people say it will make us better people and show us the truth. Other people say it's not going to make us better people and it's not going to show us the truth. I tend to agree with the guys in taking the second position that it's not going to help us directly become better people by showing us the truth. So then what's the value of studying moral philosophy? And here are a few points that are worth making. First of all, we think that certain kinds of actions are morally right, other actions are morally wrong. And we usually, when we're first thinking about this, think about when we first encountered the trolley problem. It's hard to explain our reasons for saying what the right thing to do is. We decide something is the right thing, but we have a hard time expressing it or really understanding what are the reasons that we have for that belief. And what happened in the first trolley example, we appeal to one principle. In the second trolley example, we appeal to another principle. And then what happens is we found out that those principles that we're appealing to aren't consistent. So it looks like our beliefs about morality are not consistent, and that's a big problem. And what moral philosophy, what ethics should do is help us sort out this kind of issue. Figuring out, well, one belief is not consistent with the other. Which one should we keep? Which one should we discard? Or how should we resolve these two? And studying moral philosophy should help us resolve, first of all, realize the inconsistencies in our moral principles and help us resolve them, identify what our moral principles are, help us to state and understand our moral principles more clearly and more precisely. We're going to be a little bit more careful in thinking that a particular moral theory is right or wrong. And in general, the goal is, or the value, I should say, of moral philosophy is going to be to make us better thinkers. You might say critical thinkers or analytic thinkers about moral issues. And I think these are all worthwhile and a valuable study.